another one where you can see these beautiful, brilliant, pure cotton suit sets. Now remember, this entire suit has been made in Karwa. You can see the lovely meenakari work that's happened right there on it. The motifs are so closely placed, and yes, the bottom has also been woven on the loom with it. This is our premium range of beautiful Banarasi suit sets, which are 3-piece in pure cotton and all with Karwa weave. There are 2 ranges in it, so you can always ask us. Now that's the bottom again. This is the kurta. If you are looking to place an order for the very first time, remember that we do ship all over the world, and हमारे पास cash on delivery facilities also available. And yes, all our pieces are pure, lots of different varieties, textures that we use to make our pieces. We have just done one video on linen suits, which has also been posted. But remember, this is the bottom. I'm going to keep that aside, and then I'm going to get the kurta, which is this lovely tone of black with such a pop of red. Now remember, there are many kinds of cotton suits that we are doing. This is from our premium range, and yes, as I always say, it's an experience. You have to feel them, experience them once you get them in your hand to know what it is all about. That's the bottom again. All of these pieces, we make sure that we make the bottom on the loom so that complete rich look is there for you. Now there you go. This is a really pretty one in white. I do have 2 more colors to go. Now this is the season when you do want comfort, but you do want a lot of style along with it, and that's what we are just catering to. That's the bottom. I'm going to keep it aside. And I love the Meena in this one. We made this design in such a way that each one is a unique piece, and that it's not to be repeated. So that's the whole point of it. So order anywhere from the world, wherever you are. We are on WhatsApp. Experience one suit from this collection, and you know what's so special about me. And this is the last color of it. It's a brilliant orange. Try any of these.